Get up on your feet. Get up on your
It's
feet.
reading time!
Get up on your feet.
Pop Pop and Me and a Recipe by IRene Smalls. Look, look, my Pop Pop's a cook. Pat, pat, I love my chef's hat. Scrub-a-dub-dub, clean and rub. Bake, bake, my favorite cake. Sniff, sniff, the lemon with. Peel, peel, I love the lemon feel. Pish, pish, the lemon till it's squished. Piffed, piffed, the sifter's swift. Drip, drip, milk into the batter bowl slips. Mash, mash, I love to smash. Sizzle, sizzle, the butter frizzles. Twinkle, twinkle, goes the salt I sprinkle. Glop, glop, eggs into the batter plop. Twisk, twisk, goes Pop Pop's whisk. Whir, whir, the blender bender purrs. Pound, pound, the batter goes round. Clack, clack, goes the spoon I whack. Dip, dip, my finger to the tip. Slurp, slurp, I chirp a burp. Scrape, scrape, the dough, no escape. Pour, pour, that's what batter's for. Blat, blat, goes the batter I splat. Swipe, swipe, the counter I wipe. Creak, creak, the oven doors squeaks. Make, make, the hissing cake bakes. Clink, clink, dishes in the sink. Slosh, slosh, the dishes we wash. Ding, ding, the timer pings. Wheat, wheat, the kettle tweets. Cool, cool, that's the rule. Slice, slice, a big slice, how nice. Yummy, yummy, lemon cake for the tummy. I bop, bop, hop, hop, for my top, top, pop, pop. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.